Today I'm going to be teaching you all how to do long division. The first step in long division is figuring out which number out of these two numbers is your divisor. The number on the outside of the box will be your divisor, so 3 in this case will be your divisor. After you figure out what your divisor is, you need to start multiplying. You need to figure out 3 times what will give you equal to or less than 7. 3 times 3 is 9, so that's too much, so it would be 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6, so you would put the 6 directly below the 7, subtract that, and bring down the 4. Now what you need to do is look at 14. 3 times what will give you equal to or less than 14? Well, 3 times 5 is 15, so that would be too much. And 3 times 4 is 12, so that's under 14, so you would put a 4 directly above the other 4. 3 times 4 is 12, so you bring the 12 down. You subtract 14 minus 12, which is 2. And you would bring down the 8. The last step on this is 3 times what will give you 28. Well, 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is 27. So 3 times 9 would be it because it's the closest one that's less than 28. So you put the 9 above the 8, and 3 times 9 is 27. You subtract that, and you have 1 left over. So that would be your remainder. So you would come up here and put R with the 1. So the answer to this problem is 249 with the remainder of 1. Let's try another one. First thing we have to figure out is what is your divisor. 4 would be your divisor because it's directly outside of the box. You figure out 4 times 3 is 12, so that's too much to be 9. So 4 times 2 is 8. So you put the 2 right above the 9. 4 times 2 is 8. So you would put the remainder of the 1, and you would bring down the 5. Well, 4 times 4 is 16, so that's too much. So, and 4 times 3 is 12, so you would have to do the 3 because 4 times 4 is too much. You put the 3 directly above the 5. 4 times 3 is 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. You bring the 7 down. 4 times what will give you equal to or less than 37? 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. So the 4 times 9 equals 36 would be what we would be using for this particular problem. So you put the 9 directly above the 7. 4 times 9 is 36. 37 minus 36 is 1, so you have a remainder of 1. So the answer for this problem is 239 with a remainder of 1. And that is how you do long division.